Guys, so we're back, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and finish up all the body work on the truck. There's pretty much nothing to it. We're just gonna try to finish up the little small dents that we told you about, and then try to body fill up that side and sand the other side what we showed you yesterday, and just try to get that done. So let's get to it, guys.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have a toolbox. A customer came and he wanted his toolbox Raptor, so that's what we're gonna do. And also, like, he needs it right away, so we're gonna start right away with the toolbox. So the first thing, like always, is start sanding. The second step, taping, and the third step, just Raptoring. It's pretty much easy. It's only gonna take us like a few hours, so let's get it done. Alright guys, so unfortunately we ran out of battery on the camera. We lost all the footage and we didn't notice that we were recording. So as you can see, we already did the first pass on the toolbox and it came out pretty good. So we just need the second pass, but can you follow me? The gentleman's truck, as you can see, the bed liner on the bed, it looks pretty dull, but it's factory bed liner, so I mean it's still good to Raptor on top. So what we're gonna do there, as you can see, the gentleman already scraped part of the bed liner off, and I mean there's still spots where like it looks really ugly and like really dull. So what we're gonna do is revive the bed liners. We're gonna shoot Raptor on top of it, and it's gonna look pretty good. So let's get to it, and that's it. Okay guys, so it looks pretty done already. As you see, we're pretty much done putting the primer, so we're gonna let it flash. And right now, what I'm gonna do right now, as you can see, there's pieces of bed liner like laying around. So I'm just gonna blow air so everything could just go outside the bed, so it won't bother us while spraying the Raptor. And as soon as that's done, we're gonna clean it with paint thinner, and it should be ready to Raptor. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done putting in paint thinner. I'm kind of tired. So we're just gonna let it dry, and as soon as it's already dry, we're gonna shoot the Raptor. So let's just wait. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give the second pass to the toolbox, but the customer asked us to do a light texture, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me finish it up. Alright guys, that's the second pass, so we're just gonna let it dry for about 40 minutes and we're gonna start with the bed line over there. Alright guys, so we're gonna start on the walls first, and then as soon as we're done with the walls all the way around, we're gonna make our way down to the floor. That's it. We're just gonna make our way down so it'll be more easier to spray and not have like a hard time spraying. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we were finished spraying, but we noticed some spots that we didn't really like. So we went ahead and we sanded them down, and we already put some etching primer. All we're gonna do now is just spray so we can even it out with the rest. Alright guys, so let's get to that. Alright guys, so as far as this one, all we need to do with the tailgate is just texture it. We're done spraying the first coat, we just need to texture it. For the bed over here in the inside, it's pretty much done. So we just gotta texture it and then we're just done with the whole thing. Alright guys, so let's just get to it. Alright guys, so it looks pretty much textured. All we're gonna do is just let it sit and dry and then come back and show you guys how it came out. Alright guys, so we already let the Raptor sit there for an hour. All we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take off the paper and the tape. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're finished taking off the paper and everything, and as you can tell, it came out looking really nice and good. Doesn't gonna look dull anymore. The factory bed liner that I had, it was really nice. Everything was still good. It was just dull. That's pretty much it. We just fixed it up for him, made it look better so it won't look all dull and everything. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So that's it for this one. And guys, thank you for your support, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.